Welcome back to another episode of the Frustrated Job Seeker podcast. I'm your host, Mark Williamson, and today we're diving headfirst into the world of financial analysts. And since we're talking about finance, I wore green for today's episode. And be sure to stick around until the end because I'll be sharing some jaw-dropping figures about just how much you can rake in as a financial analyst. You don't want to miss it. Now let's get down to business. So you're curious about financial analysts and what they do. Well, today is all about shedding light on this exciting career path. So grab your headphones, sit back, and let's crack the code of what a financial analyst really does. So what's the deal with financial analysts, you ask? Well, think of them as financial detectives. They dive into a company's financial data, connecting the dots and revealing hidden insights that guide critical decisions. Imagine being the Sherlock Holmes of the finance world. Your analytical skills and affinity for numbers become your superpower. Ever wondered what a day in the life of a financial analyst looks like? Here's the scoop. You kick off your day by diving into financial reports, examining market trends, and sipping on that coffee that fuels your analytical brain. As the hours roll on, you're building financial models to predict future performance, evaluating investment opportunities, and collaborating with teams across the company to understand their financial needs. Your afternoon might be sprinkled with meetings where your ability to communicate complex findings shines. You're the financial storyteller, weaving numbers into narratives that steer the ship. Now, let's zoom in on the different flavors of financial analyst roles. In traditional companies, you're the financial compass, guiding the ship to Profit Island. In commercial banks, you're the wizard assessing loans and risk. Over on Wall Street, you're a key player in investment banks where your insights can move markets. Financial advisory firms lean on your expertise to guide clients through tricky financial waters. And even news organizations rely on your insights to decode economic mysteries. You're the heartbeat of the financial world, no matter where you're planted. Let's talk relationships. No, not the romantic kind, but the professional kind. As a financial analyst, you're in direct communication with company executives, investment bankers, and other bigwigs. Your insights shape their decisions, making you a valued voice at the strategy table. Your knack for collaboration and your ability to explain the complex in simple terms are your secret weapons. But wait, how do financial analysts unravel these financial mysteries? Well, they're armed with a toolkit of reporting and analytical weapons. You've got Excel, of course, but also more advanced tools like Tableau for data visualization and Python for advanced statistical analysis, and even specialized software like Bloomberg Terminal. These tools transform complex data into easy-to-digest insights that businesses can act upon. Now let's talk about how to get there. Typically, you'd start with a bachelor's degree in finance, economics, or a related field. But to truly stand out, consider earning certifications like the Chartered Financial Analyst or CFA designation. It's your ticket to proving your expertise in this competitive field. All right, here's the moment you've been waiting for. Let's talk moolah. Now remember, these figures can vary based on factors like location and company size, but as a general ballpark figure, here's what you can expect. Entry-level financial analysts start around $50,000 and go up to about $70,000 per year. Senior financial analysts climbing up to around $80,000 to $120,000 per year. And financial analyst managers, they're in the range of $120K to $180K per year. But wait, there's more. For those of you who venture into the realm of data analysis and management, senior positions can see a major boost in earnings. Titles like data scientist, business intelligence manager, or even CFO can bring home salaries ranging from $100,000 to well over $500,000 annually. Your skills are the golden ticket to unlocking diverse career paths. So that's a wrap on today's deep dive into the universe of financial analysts. If this episode has ignited a spark in you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the podcast for more career insight. And hey, if you've got questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments section below. I help frustrated job seekers successfully navigate the job search and interview process.